Plastic pollution is a global environmental problem, but many single-use plastics are actually avoidable if people change their behaviour by refusing unnecessary items like straws and switching to reusable alternatives like reusable bags and food and beverage containers. My name is Kim Borg, and I'm completing a Behaviour Change PhD at Behaviour Works Australia in partnership with DELWP and supported by Sustainability Victoria. The aim of my research is to explore the relationship between media, social norms, and single-use plastic avoidance. The discoveries made through this research provide critical insights for achieving successful policy outcomes which rely on changing human behaviour. By undertaking this research as part of an industry partnership, I am able to connect academic and theoretically informed research with practical insights and applications. As part of my PhD, I conducted a survey with a representative sample of 1,001 Victorians to understand how people use media and 4 single-use plastic items: bags, straws, coffee cups, and takeaway containers. I also measured constructs from my theory, which include perceptions about others' behaviour, called social norms, beliefs about the benefits of avoidance, called outcome expectations, and avoidance behaviours and policy support. I also explicitly tested if I could change these perceptions, beliefs, behaviours, or support after showing participants a short video clip about plastic pollution. So far, I have found that there is a perception gap between how often people report avoiding plastic and their beliefs about how often other Victorians avoid plastic, where people generally assume they avoid more often than others. I also found that avoidance was most likely if it was believed to be common. So that's the descriptive social norm, which means there is an opportunity to encourage people to avoid plastic more often by closing the perception gap and telling Victorians that others are avoiding more often than we might realise. It looks like media exposure from social media and documentaries may already be influencing perceptions and beliefs, but not always in the desired direction. In some cases, making plastic use appear common and normal. Ultimately, a once-off viewing of a video clip about plastic pollution is not enough to change everyone's embedded beliefs and perceptions. But clips that focus on the impact that plastic pollution has on wildlife can change long-term perceptions and even avoidance behaviours among our primary target audience, plastic users.